Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and I have it's a brand new lock. It came in its box. This is a new generation of FAB cylinder by Assa Abloy. It's only, I think, a 1-star cylinder though, so I believe that FAB are a Czech company owned by Assa Abloy. So I don't know my Czech, but I imagine 1 star is not very good, and 4 stars is much better, much higher security. But yeah, very cool. I don't think I've ever seen one of these boxed up like that before, so really awesome. And very smooth operating, only 5 pins though, and not a great bitting. But hey, let's throw this in a vise and see if I can gut it. I'm going to take off this circlip first though, because yeah, gutting these can be a nightmare. Okay, so we are in the vise and I have the key. Now, I've taken off the circlips at the back, so I have to be careful when I demonstrate the cylinder turning, but can you hear that? It's quite rough. It's not a smooth operating cylinder. The bitting's unusual as well, very high 1 to 4, and then not a 0 lift pin number 5. Top of the keyway tension, like so. And let's see what we can find. So, pin 4's binding, I think. No, pin 3's binding here. Lift, 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 little click. Oh, into a false set. Pin 2. Wasn't happy with that, but we'll see if we can't drop that back down. Pin 4 now. 3. 1. Back to 4. Oh, into a false set. This is pin 3 again, counter rotation. We got that. Pin 2. No, this is pin 1, counter rotation. Counter rotation. I don't what I'm worried about is I'll overset it, or I won't get the pick back. But let's see. Up pick 3, we're okay. Now, I think these first pins feel all right. It's that last pin, but I can't get that medium hook underneath it. So let's go in with a shorter hook. This is pin 5 now, and we have the open. There we go. All that counter rotation. Oh no, 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 no. I did what I didn't want to do, which is. Oh, it's okay. We saved it. We saved it. Right. Phew. Since we got this off, I can follow it out with a rear follower, which is a lot easier for those that know. Just make sure that. There we go. That should be okay. Let's just push that out bravely. Oh my goodness. I'm so lucky. Wow. I should have used a shim. I really should have used a shim. No wonder this felt so graunchy and horrible. It's a horrible core. Look at that. Oh, Assa Abloy. I didn't know Assa. I know that this is a cheaper brand and it's a 1-star lock, but I thought the brand Assa Abloy would bring something to. Oh wow, these edges are sharp as well. Right at the back. That is, yeah, all of this is sharp and horrible. And it's like a file top. So no wonder it's quite easy to pick, but that is really strange for an Assa Abloy branded lock, because this is cheap and it feels cheap when you're picking it. It's really gritty and graunchy. It's very unpleasant and it's very sharp. Okay, it's got spools in. That's all I know, because we've got counter rotation. I imagine it's a few spools and a few standards in here. So spool pin, standard driver pin, spool driver, standard driver. Is it going to be a spool? Number 5? It is a spool, yeah. So alternating spools and standard driver pins. See how long this key pin here is, the pin 5, corresponding to that very deep cut on the key for that one. So deeper cuts, longer key pins, shorter cuts, shorter key pins. And yeah, so we got spool driver, standard spool, all standard key pins here. Nothing exciting about these. The only thing which makes this a little more difficult to pick is how gritty and I don't know, it's not smooth when you pick it. It feels cheap. It doesn't look cheap, but it sort of feels cheap when you pick it. So yeah, there you go. Look, if you like that video, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it. If you feel I'm worth your subscription, hit that subscribe and the notifications. It really helps my channel out. Any comments about this lock? Did you expect it to be a skeletonized core? Let me know below. I do actually read all the comments and I try to reply to as many as I can. Anyway, all I can say then is stay safe, happy picking, and see you all next time.